Welcome back everyone to a new video. Since you were asking in the comments to give you an update on waves, I want to go over it real quick. 2 months ago I started staking, and as you can see I put in 10k towards the end of January. Let's have a look at how much the tokens are worth today. The chart is slowly going up, and as of right now the tokens are worth $10,375. So we made around $370 in 2 months. And if we divide this by 2, that would be $185 per month. This times 12 would be $2,220 per year. Now you might be wondering, why is it not more, since they promote an APY of 64%. Therefore, I would like to show you this chart of what compound interest looks like. You start slowly at first, but once your interest is compounding, it really takes off. This is why I plan to stake at least a year before I withdraw any funds. If I don't do this, my rewards will be much lower. Hope this short update was helpful, and as always, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.